beginning of our new week, your channel, Future Tech 2099, welcomes you with your playlist, in which we will show you today a special AI software for new channel subscribers. Are you ready for our offers? Remember to support our channel. By subscribing and liking this content, we will continue to provide the best for you. As they said, welcome to CopyMate. We are the world's first AI content writing software, and we believe that it can change the way you write content. We have created a unique and easy-to-use interface that allows you to create high-converting sales copies, emails, and even VSL scripts. There is no need for writing skills whatsoever, and we have included a range of templates that are perfect for any niche. We are confident that CopyMate will revolutionize the way you write content and will bring you massive profits. CopyMate is the world's first AI content writing software that creates high-converting sales copies, emails, and regular blog posts in just 60 seconds flat. CopyMate is easy to use and comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're looking for copywriting software that can help you produce high-converting sales copies, CopyMate is the perfect tool for you. Created by award-winning software developer John Battelle, it's a powerful, easy-to-use tool that can be used in a number of different niches. And, because CopyMate is so versatile, you can use it to create even custom content. You can create swipeable, VSL script-style blog posts, or even regular blog posts. And, because it's easy to use, you can create content without any writing experience whatsoever. So, if you're looking for copywriting software that can help you produce high-converting sales copies, CopyMate is the perfect tool for you. In the end, we thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to see more in the description. We hope that it has won your admiration, and do not forget, for more technical products, please subscribe to the channel and follow all our news. See you in our next videos.